With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. So the question is, in the laboratory of a school, the sample of hard water is not available. To study the comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of soap in soft and hard water, which salt from the laboratory can be added to the tap water to make it hard? In the experiment, how is the cleaning capacity of soap compared? So, the chemicals which are responsible for hardness of water are calcium and magnesium. These two salts are responsible for temporary hardness, and sulfates are responsible for permanent hardness. And if we want to check the cleaning capacity of soap and we want to compare, so we know that in soft water the lather will be high. Soap will produce high lather. And good cleaning action. So the soap in soft water, the soap will produce high lather and good cleaning action, whereas in hard water the soap do not produce lather. And the soap will have bad cleaning actions. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.